open Google application and search remove.bg.
On our side, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now, remove background as I do. You can learn how to remove background from my video in which I explained it.
And on we'll go.
Open PicsArt application and select transparent background.
And on.
Click on Draw tool, then add brown or red color to the lower layer.
And on we'll go.
Add model image in upper layer and blend it to multiply.
On we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
Save the PNG, and add original picture of model with background.
We'll go through the wasteland.
Click on Draw tool, then add color PNG of model on upper layer.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Adjust PNG very carefully upon the model image, adjust it as perfect as it possible.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the.
Now erase unwanted PNG, because we only want colored hairs.
In number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Merge PNG layer to model layer and add an empty layer. Select Draw tool, then adjust color to red or brown color, then draw over the hairs. Merge the color to overlay. Erase the color from edges of the hairs, so that it will easily blend to model image. Now save the image in Draw tool. After opening Adobe Lightroom application, add the saved image of PicsArt. Now retouching process is different. We have to retouch image as per background, also as per color of hairs. You can try my settings too.